Agile CRM Honest Review, Watch Before Using. In this video, I'll give you an honest review of Agile CRM, so make sure to stick around. You can find the links to the product in the description below. Agile CRM is a comprehensive customer relationship management tool designed for small to medium-sized businesses. It offers a range of features, including contact management, email tracking, marketing automation, and sales pipeline management. One of its standout features is the visual sales pipeline, which provides a clear overview of your sales process and helps you track opportunities easily. The platform also supports integration with popular tools like Gmail, MailChimp, and social media platforms, making it a versatile choice for businesses looking to streamline their workflows. Another significant benefit of Agile CRM is its user-friendly interface. Even if you're not tech-savvy, you'll find it easy to navigate and utilize the various features. The drag-and-drop functionality for managing tasks and leads is particularly intuitive, allowing you to focus more on your business and less on figuring out the software. Agile CRM is ideal for startups, small businesses, and even freelancers who need to manage customer interactions efficiently. Whether you're looking to enhance your marketing efforts or improve your sales processes, this CRM offers robust tools that can help you achieve your goals. However, it's essential to note that while Agile CRM provides a free tier, some features are limited. Upgrading to a paid plan unlocks more advanced functionalities like marketing automation and enhanced reporting. So, if you're serious about growing your business, consider investing in one of their paid options. In conclusion, Agile CRM is a solid choice for businesses wanting to manage customer relationships more effectively. I hope this review has helped you understand its features and benefits. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful insights. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable information with others. Thank you for watching.